Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll show you how to download Capcut, a popular video editing app, on your laptop. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. The first step is to open your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser. Step 2. In the search bar, type Capcut Download and hit Enter. You'll see various search results related to Capcut. In the results, you will see a link that says www.capcut.com. Click on it. Step 3. Once you're on the official website, you'll notice an option to download for Windows. Click on it to start the download process. The download will begin, and you just need to wait for it to reach 100%. After the download is complete, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser, then select Downloads. In the download history, find the Capcut file and click Show in Folder. Step 4. Double-click on the Capcut installer. Agree to the terms, and then click Install. Wait for the installation to reach 100%. Click Start Now to open Capcut. Congratulations! Capcut is now installed. You can start a new project and begin editing your videos. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Capcut on your Windows laptop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.